Grandma Esohe's kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite comfort dishes, yam and egg sauce. Let's get started. I begin by peeling and slicing the yam into medium rounds. Always use a sharp knife and be careful with your fingers. Next, I rinse the yam slices thoroughly and place them in a pot with water and add a pinch of salt to boil until they are soft and tender. While the yam boils, I prepare the egg sauce ingredients, which are chopped onions, juicy tomatoes, red peppers, and fresh eggs. Simple but delicious. I then fry the onions until fragrant, add in the tomatoes and peppers, then season to taste. Finally, I pour in the eggs and stir until it becomes a thick, rich sauce. Now it is time to serve. I dish the boiled yam and pour a generous scoop of egg sauce on the side. Just look at that color. Cooking is love made visible, and there is no better joy than sharing a wholesome meal with family. From my kitchen to yours, enjoy and stay blessed. Thanks for tuning in to Grandma's Esohe's Cooking.